My name is Kelsey Jones. I'm from Hopkinton and I'm a freshman at Hopkinton High. I write music and I'm inspired by my daily life and all the things I've gone through. And I listen to a lot of other artists who help me to figure out what I like to write about and who inspire me. I don't know. It's kind of nice because I don't get to play a lot because a lot of my friends and family are coming and I don't see them that often. And so it's nice to kind of play for them.
Thank you.
Before I wrote songs, I wrote a lot of poetry and that helped to inspire some of the songs I write now.